Tired of endless ladders and tedious staircases? Let's build a super fast water elevator and zip to new heights in Minecraft. First, gather your supplies. You'll need building blocks like glass or any solid block, kelp, sand, signs, and water buckets. The amount depends on the height of your elevator. Now, build a vertical shaft using your building blocks. This will be the main structure of your elevator. Make sure it's completely enclosed to prevent water from spilling out. At the very bottom, place a sign on the inside of the shaft. 1 block above the ground. This will act as a door and prevent water from flowing out. Next, fill the entire shaft with water from top to bottom. Make sure every block is filled, creating a continuous water column. Now for the magic, place kelp at the very bottom of the water column. Let it grow all the way to the top. This turns every water block into a source block. Once the kelp has reached the top, break it all from the bottom up. This leaves you with a solid column of water source blocks. For an upward elevator, place soul sand at the bottom. This will create bubbles that push you upwards. Now you're ready to ride. Just jump in and watch as the bubbles whisk you away. For a downward elevator, use magma blocks instead of soul sand, and that's it. Enjoy your new high-speed transportation system. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.